Something is happening at Apple Park that shouldn't be possible. For years, the Mac Mini was the budget choice. The entry-level machine you bought when you couldn't afford a Mac Studio or a high-end MacBook Pro. But in 2026, the hierarchy of Apple silicon will be shattered. As we speak, supply chain leaks from TSMC and internal memos from Cupertino are pointing to a single conclusion. The Mac Mini M5 is no longer just a mini computer. It is a workstation in a lunchbox. It is the device that is quietly making the Mac Studio obsolete for 90% of professionals. But there is a catch. A secret buried deep in the new Fusion architecture of the M5 chip that Apple isn't ready to talk about on stage. Today, we are going beyond marketing. We are uncovering the truth about the M5's 2nm adjacent performance, the thermal miracle that allows it to outperform the M2 Ultra, and the reason why, if you're planning to buy a desktop Mac right now, you are making a massive mistake. By the end of this video, you'll realize that the most powerful computer you'll ever own isn't the one you're looking at. It's the one that fits in the palm of your hand. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M5 chip. In early 2026, the nanometer war reached its boiling point. While the rest of the industry is struggling to keep up with 3 nanometers, the M5 is utilizing TSMC's refined N3P process, which bridges the gap to 2 nanometers. This isn't just a spec bump. This is a complete re-architecture. The M5 introduces what Apple calls super cores. For the first time, we are seeing a 14% to 22% jump in single-core performance over the M4. But that's the boring part. The real magic is in the GPU and the neural engine. Leaks suggest a staggering 45% jump in graphics performance for the base model. That means the $599 Mac Mini M5 is now capable of real-time 8K video editing and high-end gaming that was previously reserved for machines costing 3 times as much. But why did Apple give the cheap Mac so much power? The answer is simple: Apple Intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't just a feature, it's the OS. To run macOS Tahoe and its suite of local large language models, Apple needed a beast. The M5 isn't just a processor. It's an AI brain designed to process billions of operations per second, right on your desk, without ever sending your data to the cloud. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think the Mac Mini is just a slow version of the Studio. With the M5 Pro model, Apple is introducing Fusion architecture. This allows the M5 Pro to behave like a dual-die chip, effectively doubling the memory bandwidth to over 300 gigabytes per second. This brings us to the first major breakthrough: the death of the base model nightmare. For years, the US tech community has begged Apple to kill the 8 gigabytes RAM entry point. In 2026, it's officially dead. The Mac Mini M5 starts with 16 gigabytes of unified memory as standard, with the M5 Pro version starting at 24 gigabytes. And the storage. Finally, Apple has moved the baseline to 512 gigabytes of ultra-fast SSD storage. No more slow entry-level drives. But how do you keep that much power cool in a 5 by 5 inch box? This is where Apple's engineering team performed a thermal